Flowersforweddings.com offers a 4-pack DIY option to save money on floral centerpieces. However, you can save even more money by adding pittsoporium greenery and stretching the flowers to 8 centerpieces. This is how, and it's super easy. Start with the pittsoporium as a base. This will hold the flower stem steady. Now this is the enchanted collection, but each collection's flowers will vary. Most roses are shipped with guard petals. Just simply pluck any discolored petals gently and be sure to always trim the bottom of the stems to ensure hydration. I just love the flare of the trumpet vase as it spreads out the flowers so effortlessly. Hydrangea is a bit more delicate, so it ships with its own water bag. Simply remove the bag and remember to retrim the stem before placing it into the vase for best hydration. Now, hydrangea is a big reason we say to refrigerate the flowers if you can. They are gorgeous, but more vulnerable to the elements. This collection also comes with elegant stock flowers and the unique Star of Bethlehem. Don't be afraid to move the stems around until you find just the right placement. Look at the vase from all different angles and think of your design like a fun, creative arts project. There's really no right or wrong, just whatever looks right to you. And finally, the spray roses. Use the leftover greenery to fill in any gaps in your arrangement. You can make some taller than the florals to add a little more interest and height. Feel free to break the greenery apart if they seem a bit full. And don't forget to utilize the pittsoporium that we used in the beginning. You can use that in the end as well to fill in any spaces. I really do recommend the 14-inch or 16-inch trumpet vase. As you can see, it practically forces a professionally designed look. Tall, round, and full. Now again, this is using the 4-pack DIY centerpieces and stretching it to create 8 centerpieces using the pittsoporium greenery from our website. Another great option is to use the ruscus and baby's breath combo that we also offer. It's that simple, and everyone likes to save some money.